Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two ERP programs. And the first one is Odoo and the second one is ERPNext. We will go through some pros and cons. I will tell you more about these two products, and in the end we'll try to find out which one is better, at least from my point of view. So let's start with Odoo. Odoo is an online software suite that lets a user better manage and run their businesses from ERP to CRM or e-commerce to CMS. All the Odoo apps are integrated within the system and allow users to fully automate their business processes and reap the different benefits and enjoy a lot of costs on the administrative processes and add-ons. Odoo ERP has several apps on its platform that give users the ability to track and automate everything they do. Online, centralized and accessible from anywhere with the device, the platform consists of a unique framework with elegant and modern technical design, giving users an unparalleled user experience. Odoo provides excellent flexibility to users. They can add apps according to their company's growth, adding one app at a time and not rushing the execution as the need evolves and as the user's customer base grows. Users can select and pay for the apps they need separately, with add-ons costing the extra as per the need. So as you can see, Odoo, I created for you the UI just to show you how does it work. You can start with organizations and expected revenue, cost and stuff like that. Let's go with 1000 add, and that's basically how it works. You are creating the opportunities and you are trying to basically set the options or set the expectations of all those organizations that you are working with. You can add the numbers, also add the revenues, and just expecting the income maybe, and you can drag the opportunities into different positions, and it's really nice what you can do here in the sales, activities, teams. So you can obviously add more people into it, and to be honest, it's not that expensive as you maybe think. At the start, you have to set it up with a number of users there's going to be. Let's go with 2 if we are a smaller company. We see if we want to be billed annually or monthly, and then start with the CRM and all the apps that you want to add. So let's go with 2 users, it's $24, and go with CRM, maybe invoicing, sales, studio, and a lot of stuff that you can basically put into your plan. And also you can just try it now, since like I was trying it now. And this is very interesting very interesting point of view on this problem, like what you want to have in here. And then you just press buy now. As you can see, there's a lot of annually and monthly options and stuff like that. But let's jump into ERPNext. ERPNext is a fully open source, cloud-based, very easily to ERP software. It enjoys wider acceptance in multiple industries like retail, healthcare, school, service-based companies, etc. It can simplify payroll management, leave management, automates billing processes, etc. The software helps in tracking and managing inventory, enhancing CRM, assist in financial accounting, closing sales, deal successfully, track purchases, etc. ERPNext helps doing project management and task management, as well as it allows managing web content and features email integrated ticket system. This is a highly suitable tool for both small and medium-sized businesses. You can also run it as a large business, but in that case I would strongly advise Odoo, where you just can jump into and add more members. Obviously, if you want to get in touch with them and tailor the option for you, you can easily do that, and they will give you some kind of sale or something like that. The other difference between ERP and Odoo is that Odoo can be installed on your device. If it's Mac, if it's Windows, it's completely up to you. Or mobile, or Android or iOS. So, as I said, very, very nice. But ERP can be only viewed on your mobile phone or mobile device. Both of them provide the customer support during the business hours and obviously online. There's not much of a difference, as I said, between those of these two. You can check the menu, the solutions in ERPNext, and also basically their UI looks like that. I really think that at Odoo, it's way easier to just drag and drop the opportunities that you have. You can add obviously more to them and start with the discussion, so you can talk between your employees. You can set the calendar and important dates. You can have all the contacts, all your employees, and also CRM, apps, and then run settings to basically check everything that you want to. In categories, you can also install all the other mods and apps, and in that case you can also make a lot of integrations even with ERPNext. So if you are running with if you're running with ERP and you want to check the and if you want to check the integrations out, you can always integrate, for example, Odoo with the best features of ERP. When we are going and check the pricing, there is open source, which is basically free version of ERPNext, then the managed hosting, and then the enterprise option. Everywhere you can see easily what they are providing. Also, the cost is per site per month, but enterprise is per user per month. So it's a really expensive, and you don't have this very sweet option of basically adding at only what you need. In that case, the Odoo is the big winner, at least from my point of view. I strongly advise you to get the free version of both of them, try it out in the trial window, and basically then decide. But from my point of view, Odoo is just better option. If you have any more questions, please leave them underneath the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. See you.